Y'all, first of all, it's the hair grease for me. How do I say this? As a woman of God, I am very grateful that I've been on a journey of learning and growing and petitioning and praying and fasting, and I only have my seatbelt like this so I can make the video, y'all. I'm safety first in case anybody say something. But I'm tired today. I've had to pray heaven that I've had to call on not only the Lord of armies, but the commander of the Lord's armies, as I have battled in the spirit. And as I have been made aware of a monitoring spirit that was revealed to have been perched in my room and monitoring, and having to go to battle with that. Having a creature, a creature find its way into my residence. Like, I'm driving now. When I tell y'all, I came up and we would have Bible studies. I came up and I would go to church. I came up and I watched my mom become an ordained pastor. And now, as she is married, her husband, she married into a family that has a church, so she's a first lady. But to go on this journey on my own and to seek God for myself in the way that I've been going to church by myself, because I've been living by myself for some time now. But to seek God with the intentionality that I have been, I would say, since the end of last year, has been on a new level. And with my keen understanding, with the time that I spend, it has heightened my awareness, my sensitivity, and